Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to save your TikTok without watermark. What you're gonna do is go ahead and open your TikTok app. Then what you're gonna do is click on this add button right over here. Now what you're gonna do is record a simple any type of video or click a photo or whatever you want to do, and then then what you can do is go ahead and click on this settings thing right over here. Now if you want to show your post to your friends or everyone, or if you want the video to be private with only you, then you can click on the only you options. Now you should click on the next, and you can simply just post. This way your video will be saved without any watermarks. TikTok will not leave any watermarks with it if you save it by posting it. All you have to do is post your video, and TikTok will save it in your camera roll without watermark. I hope this video guys helps you learn how to save your TikTok videos without watermark. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.